All right, good morning. It's about 5:15 and I'm walking to the gym. Can you hear that? Listen to all those birds. I just find it fascinating, the peace of the morning. There's like no one up right now. You get the peace of the birds. Such a much more enjoyable walk to the gym than honking horns and a bunch of chaos. So I just really enjoy working out in the mornings and the peace of it. So I think I'm a morning guy. Hope you guys enjoy your morning and get your workout on. Well, here we are again. Gonna play some racquetball. As you can see, Pradeep showed up. So I'm hoping to give him some better games than I did the other day. So we'll probably play 3 or 4 games. Hopefully I can win them all. We'll see. All right, I finished. As you can see, it's a pretty good workout. Anytime I have a sweat where it covers my whole shirt, you know that's a good workout. So I'm going home. I got the day off. I'm gonna take a shower, see if I can get some art done. But no matter what happens today, I got the workout done. So it's a good day. Y'all have a good day.